In this video, you'll learn how to create a new plan on Blixo. There are two ways to do this. The first way is to create it in the Plan section, and the second way is to create it directly from the Subscription section. Let's get started. First of all, I will demonstrate how to create a new plan from the Subscription section. Go to the Subscription section and click on the Add Subscription button. Then, click the Add a New Plan button to navigate to the New Plan screen. Input the required information into the fields. Click the Save button to create it. Let's verify. The plan has been created successfully. Finally, let's navigate to the Settings section. Next, click on the Plans field to access the plans list. Click on the Add Plan button to go to the New Plan screen. There are two required fields, name and amount. If you want to associate this plan with an item, you can choose an item here. Blixo supports 7 billing intervals: daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, yearly, and custom. If you choose the billing interval with a custom value, you can customize the interval by specific days, weeks, months, and years. Fill out the information and save it. Let's check it out. Success. The plan has been created successfully. Voila! You have successfully created a plan in just a few easy steps. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Not a Blixo customer yet? Want to grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting? Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.